Hi everyone, my name is Nicole. I'm the founder and bag designer of DAS. I design multifunctional handbags and I sell them on my website at das.com.my. Last year I actually attended Shanneez sales funnel workshop, and I just have to say that it's really worth the time and money to attend her workshop because I've learned a lot, and I've been able to apply those strategies onto my business, and I can personally tell you that my sales have increased. And I did a ad which she taught us how to create Facebook and Google ads, and I crafted one ad and I received 5,000 ringgit worth of sales in the span of 2 weeks. So previously, if I were to do any ads, I wouldn't receive much sales from it. But from her workshop, she taught us how to create the perfect offer, and also to how to monitor the ads and to tweak it where it is necessary to ensure that it is an effective ad. So I definitely recommend you to attend Shanice's sales funnel workshop to find out for yourself how effective it is. And thank you, Shanice.